Easy, cool and easy. Why? Them love the way me roll. Them love the way me roll. Yeah, me no titan, me no show off, me no hype man. Nobody.
Good morning, Joe. The lighting though. Good morning. You don't know it's a girl, MELICASKYLIFE, representing lighting gone for the team. Guys, welcome to my channel. Ooh. If you're on my channel for the first time, please remember to give this video a thumbs up. And please remember to subscribe. And also remember to show the love. You can leave a comment below. I'll be sure to respond to you. The thing is, I really want to hear from you guys. I know that some of my followers are from all different parts around the world. I want you today in this vlog to take the time to comment below, morning, and tell me where you're from, you know. So take the time, comment, say where you're from. Morning. You don't know me, I'm coming first. Melika from Mobile. I'm 18 and stuff. I'm on the road now, heading to work. Work. Tell me, Effie. Smile though. Yeah, guys. Today, I'm going to go to Fairview. I think I'm going to go to Fairview today. I need to deal with some stuff there. I need to look for some stuff. I want to taxi this. Yeah, I think it's a taxi. Let me go. Guys, I'll tune in to you later because I'm going into a car now. Why you all, girl? You don't know, it's the girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. I'm going to the hill. No, stay. Stay, go on back. Tywin, go on back. Go on up back. Go on up back. Go on up back to mama. Go on, go do it. Go on. When I done, me come back for you. Anyways, I'm going to link mommy by the pen. We have some pigs, so I go by pig pen go see what she had dealing before. I run. I start running from the land. So that's what I'm doing. Good morning, Teresa.
Good morning.
I'm running there, Tata. I have my appointment later, you know. No, me have mommy here to do. Man, pick up here.
What time?
I don't know when I done do me do. Guys, you see it be a year appointment, me I get on be 18. Eh? Outfit of the morning. No, so Melika, why your body are going so? Yeah. I'll straight away me I go. Finger on your gun, I'm cute. I have my exercise belt and workout. I'm workout tight. Mommy, I look at me and say, I wish that go straight over a big pen. Put me on my teeth. We just meant why? Anything you like? So long. Oh, you remember me have one pig like this? The spotty one. Like the one, yeah. Hey, ramp with me no pig. This is mommy right here looking after the pig. Mommy I go like a big penny over here. You wanna come way over here do from morning? Eh? So how much time it take to look for the pig them alone?
How much people you see now?
Like pen, like all 2-3 hours, I say, where mommy there. Me never know say pig pen so little.
Pig pen little, but how much pig is there?
But then I feed them one plate, I feed them out.
You haven't seen the pen.
I would have something there, one pipe sitting there. So.
And then drink the water from that.
So water come treat them now?
Then you go there and suck it like one nipple.
Okay. So water down the river here so still? Yo, if water down the river?
Yes, water is down there, but not this side. Further up the line.
How much years me not got a river? Anyways, me I go run pon the hill. Go run pon the hill. Take off the Christmas wait. Wait. This guy's gonna come out of the bush now. Gonna run on the hill. I think I'm gonna do like, I'm gonna try to do 5 laps. Up and down. Run up and walk, come back down. Run up and walk, come back down. And see it go, because this is the first time like I'm just doing it on the hill. In the last vlog that you saw, like me did go cross the command and something. But me now go cross the command because I realize say hill are terrible. Hill alone can suck me down to nothing if me just focus and run on it. So yeah, that I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna go steak.
Don't run.
So currently I'm at the top of the hill. Okay, Joe. That view though.
Don't come in there. That's what they are motada.
We are going to look some Ackee. Which tree you go?
Over.
Alright. Go check your Ackee tree, even though I don't eat. My sister begging just climb me and done can instead of Ackee over there so.
Yeah.
Woo. 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 So currently we're checking Ackee tree. Yeah, Chantel right there. Can't see. Have Tywin right there. Whee! I'm so freaking tired. So, yo, if you find out Ackee, and so we have picked them in the vlog back again. So I'll see you on another side with the Ackees. You know. Maintain not pick no Ackee for you. Yes. Cover this booty though. We reach our Ackee tree currently. There is no open Ackee. So we across one place with the twin. So we'll go back our yard and stuff. Tywin still around there so. Tywin what now? Right in my drop.
Water.
You're tired. What you said, Tywin? Water? Say Ackee. No. Not water to play in. Come here. Say Ackee.
Ackee.
Ackee. Say Ackee. Boy run the Ackee teeth. Which tree Ackee they on? Come give me a push out of swing song. I want a push. Tywin, come. Why, baby? Lord Jesus. Come here, what are you doing now? What are yeah, well I know me can't go in there with you.
Come to Shani. Come, wait.
Funny, you sing song no arm straight, you go lean. You lean.
He can't pop.
Why? Wait, Bunny, wait, nobody stop. Bunny, stop. No. Why?
Come out that damn swing song, you fool. Melissa, I go pop.
Come on. You feel like you're gonna broke down.
Yeah, broke for you. See the rope I get loose.
Vanny, stop me. Me say me not jump out.
Melissa, the rope, the boss. I sir.
Or your passport. We're afraid to jump out. Alright,
See you there.
You don't know situation?
Yes.
Vanny, you're wicked. Man, swings are almost pop down. Yo, my youth, what kind of things? Europe pop for you, my youth.
Yo, you know, I break the second.
Vanny, see Europe loose, let's talk. Right, you're mad smart, yeah, man.
Don't push me.
Yeah.
And you need to push me hard. What? So you're not pushing me, Fraser, come on. Fraser, Fraser, push me now, Fraser. Yeah. Push me there.
We soon come. I take him party if he come in.
That's how we're planning Ackee bush, you know?
Morning. Melissa, me not in this.
The Ackee stick right here. No? The one carry? What is it now, my youth?
You go now, your back side, you're not stuck. You stick heavy, man.
Vanny, how far a tree then? If I exercise, I'm going to do for a morning. Vanny, I exercise, I just exercise for nearly no?
They say just run 2 times.
So what? I exercise in him. You have to come down tomorrow and exercise in the morning. Yeah? Or run up the hill.
Yes.
My youth, how send me do it? You're shanty another year. But we wake up and exercise. Eh? Vanny, you come down to exercise tomorrow? Eh? You need to come. You come down to exercise tomorrow? What time?
6:30. No, 6.
No, my youth, 6 too early.
Let's do all time.
6:30, better. Where's guys? I'm tired. I'm breathe down. You want 2 breadfruit to roast, you know?
Oh, Jesus.
Better go lick me in my eye with this stick.
Of course. Hey, me I say.
I must see 6 shocking gate, 6 single.
More. I could have cancelled.
But Chantel, no Ackee in that tree. Where you climb go? 20 Ackee?
Ui.
Watch it. So she's up to 6.
You walk, man. One thing, I make sure look if you up before me pick them, eh?
Are we in that tree? You're going in that tree. So make you walk there so I can walk inside my youth. Bombi Joan. Me extra. No?
That's true. Careful, eh, man.
Careful. Why am I not done that today?
I just dropped down. I feel better one Ackee.
You know, I'm sick and drop out.
Vanny, what's your Ackee right there, so? Can you walk my look for me over here, so? Right where you come from.
Which one?
Over there, so.
You see,
Oh, yeah.
and it's wide enough.
Open up and look for.
Ready to be eaten.
Yo guys, I'll catch you Ackee them here, man.
I tell Daddy no more.
So sign out.
With the tick empty. I said, could you too?
Time we not coming in car. Time we not coming in vehicle. Can we in? Yeah. Yeah. Why make you never strap him in? In buggy? Me can trap him down in a day. Tell in. Buggy, come out the road. Buggy. Buggy, come out the road. Governmental waste.
Hey, you know that nice don't make us in our skatering.
Bobby Jones.
We can skate.
Of course, I don't
Thank you so much for stopping by MELICASKYLIFE TV. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscription button. I'll see you on the next vlog.